good YouTube? It's your boy Malik K26. Just the intro. So guys, I would like to welcome those who are new to the channel and those who are regulars. Hang on the FM. Some fire content is coming. I decided to do an intro today. It's been a while since I did an intro. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoy today's vlog because I'll be taking you from Ekasi, maneuvering the road up until here at work, and then you'll spend the day with me. So guys, I appreciate your comments, your like, and the shares. And I was going through my analytics this weekend. I was able to see how many people who actually share my content. I'm very grateful, guys, for that. Keep on supporting the boy, guys. I appreciate you a lot. You appreciate it. English is trying to trouble me. So yeah guys, I don't have enough time. I'm supposed to go back and finish my work. So yeah, that's all guys, and I promise you fire content soon. And based on that platform, I'm halfway there because it's still under review at the moment. As soon as they get the go ahead, then going live, and then I will each and every video that I post, I am going to put a link on the description so that you can access that platform. For people who want to learn Xhosa, it's Xhosa basics, and if you have a child that's struggling with Xhosa, or you are a child that's struggling with Xhosa, that can actually help you. So what happens is that you sign in via the link, and then you get 2 free lessons. So after those 2 free lessons, and then you have to pay for other lessons, and it's not that much, it's 150. The developers, they were lenient when it comes to pricing. I'm not sure whether maybe as time goes on they are going to increase the subscription, but at the moment still 146 rand a month. So yeah guys, I'm going to post the links whenever I'm posting a video. So yeah guys, have a great one. I love you. So yeah guys, now let's go to the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Won't have a limit, pa. That I'll tell you that. So we let it one either. I was this is because the passing. Let's get it. Let's go back here to my country. But then I know that actually really want to do, and that's all keeps. I really want to get for you. I'm done making the completion, and then I'm going to load over. I'm going to load my. So what I'm dealing with is background copyright. I like to play music, right? I'm recording that copyright. I like to make my own music, and I'm listening to AI music, which gives me an idea, and I must make my own AI music. So that's the way that's why I get the soundtracks and so. Yeah, shoot on the next clip. So you comment